So,
Oh, right. What? Okay. Oh. What is that?
just think about it.
But
This is my.
oh, right. My dad.
Yep. Yes. This is
Right.
my dad.
Why you hand like that?
His hand is like that. Isn't that bad? Because I don't think it's okay. Don't you think so?
All right.
All right. So yeah, this is my dad. So how can we write that?
That okay. So 3 words.
You mean 3 sounds?
Yes, 3
Okay.
sounds. I know. Mommy.
Yes, but I want you to write that.
That all right. Right, I'm going to write that. Now, okay.
Okay. They are too easy, right?
Okay. Sister. Right, I remember right now.
For me, it looks like, you know,
Okay,
I
only have one more thing, so I can do it.
Yes, I know that you can do it,
Right.
but I want to tell you a story about a boy. Okay.
Yes, what?
This boy, I was working with him, and then he said that he can write things,
Right.
but I found out that he is looking at the words. He is looking at the words. He's not writing the words because he remembers it. No, he is writing the words. Okay, he is writing the words because he looked at the words in the other copybook, and he just said, yeah, miss, I know. And then I told him, Anas, I don't like this. This is not good because من غشنا فليس منا. If you cannot write the words, ya Anas, please say I can't write this word. Please tell me. I just wanted to share this story with you. That's it. Okay, now we need to
sister, brother.
Okay, can I see it, please?
There it is. There's
Dad, mom, sister, brother. Excellent. Okay. I hope that you are closing all the copybooks in front of you. So there is no words in front of you because we are not
I forgot cheating. This. I forgot to wear it.
Yeah, because we're not cheating. لأن الرسول عليه الصلاة والسلام بيقول إيه؟ من غشنا فليس منا. Right? So here, dad. How can I write dad again? Huh?
Three.
Yeah. Yes.
The.
Huh. The. The. Excellent. Okay. Now we're going to move on to mom.
Mom. All right.
Huh? Excellent. Okay. So what about sis?
Sister.
Okay. Huh?
I. S.
S. and في الآخر في إيه؟ صح كده الفقرة دي؟ Excellent. Okay. Let's move on.
Sister.
Yes.
Six.
Okay.
Right, brother.
Okay. So we start with
Brr.
Bravo. What's after No. Wait. I said bra. What's moving the ra? What's after r? I will help you. Bra. Okay. This cluster is bra. Okay. Bra. The. Do you remember the sound the? Huh? What is it? To put what and what to make the words that sound the. Huh? نعمل ايه combining together. برافو عليكي ها. And excellent girl. Excellent. Okay. So bra the وبعدين نجيب ايه this one. يبقى أنا عندي إيه sister وbrother. Wow. So you deserve a big star and thank you, my love. Amazing work. Amazing. Yes.